Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset Rainbow Wallet. Resetting Rainbow Wallet can help if the app is glitching, not syncing, or you want to start fresh. Resetting removes wallet data from the app. You must have a recovery phrase to restore your funds. So before doing anything, ensure your secure recovery phrase is safely backed up. Without it, your wallet and funds will be lost permanently. Write it down on the paper, never store it online, screenshot, or in the cloud storage. After that, open to the Rainbow here. Over here, once you reach into this interface, select to the profile icon in the top. Here, you need to select edit in the bottom. What you can do is on the profile beside, we can see the three dot icon. Tap to the three dot icon and select the remove wallet. Wallet will be removed and you can reset again, and the app will ask you to confirm that. If you understand your wallet will be removed, you can confirm it. Resetting the app removes all the wallet data from a device. You can only restore your wallet using a recovery phrase, and you may reinstall the app to start fresh. And when reopening, you can choose the restore wallet if you want to recover your previous wallet using the seed phrase. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to reset Rainbow Wallet. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.